The San Clemente High School created a pedagogical model based on a virtual communication online that guarantees the access of all the Galician community to the official degree of high school diploma. Studying at the San Clemente High School gives you the opportunity of accessing to the power of the new technologies and to the last e-learning program advances. Both at the Computer Science Education and the Secondary Education e-learning program, you will have access to the e-learning platforms that give you the possibility of working from anywhere and wherever you want. You will benefit with the advantages that the law offers you. In our e-learning program, it's not mandatory to attend class. You have web tutorships and you will never repeat a course. You will have unlimited official announcements throughout the assessments, including one final and one more extra. At the e-learning secondary education program, you can study 2 courses during the same year, with subjects put in 3 fields. You can adapt your studies deciding the number of subjects, and even you can pass all them in a year. Those subjects you have passed in other schools will be kept at the San Clemente High School. The San Clemente High School, every day closer to you.